Hello and welcome to The Inspired. I'm Chirag, and today, June 9th, we'll be discussing some of the stock market's biggest movers. The S&P started to slide down today, and then early in the morning came a report that America had the most job openings in 15 years. This started the trend on the positive for the day. I look at this as being somewhat of a really good day, a turning point in the market's move. As we can look here on the 1-year chart and 150-day moving average, we can see that we're having a ton of support right here, and it looks to have come down to a low. We might go down a little bit lower tomorrow and start a little bit lower, but it looks like we have a ton of support at this 150-day moving average, and I look for the market to start moving in a positive direction now. A company that really moved in a positive direction today, Netflix. If you enjoy binge watching Orange is the New Black or House of Cards, now might be the time to buy Netflix, or soon, of increasing Netflix's available shares to 5 billion. This would be a possible 30-to-1 split. So Netflix might be in your shopping list coming this fall. To look at it, I would say Netflix is not somewhere to enter now, and if it does come back down to around 600 for whatever reason, some kind of scandal or the market has a big sell-off, look to enter, or you can get in when the split happens. Another company in the news today was Tesla. Tesla was in the news today because they had a shareholder meeting, and in the shareholder meeting, Elon Musk discussed that the Model X should be coming out within the next 3 months. If we look back, Tesla has been on a tear since about right here in a low in about late March. This was on good earnings report, and it's been on a good tear there. But as we can see, we don't have a ton of support in the last 6 months, and we look at a year date, can come see here that we reached kind of like a high point on the chart from last November. So it's a possible dip coming soon, and I think it's a possibility too, but there is a possible dip coming just because earnings, and they just can't keep running off to the races. It might. Tesla's a good stock to do that, and as you can see, they have been running off to the races, but I would suggest pulling in on this weak dip in that range, and then it's going to go back up to. Another one to look at today was Apple. Started off terribly and even came down to that 125 range that I had been talking about in my previous videos. This presented a great buying opportunity and now looks to be moving in the right direction. With all the announcements that they made yesterday at the Worldwide Developers Conference, it looks like Apple does have a good plan for the upcoming quarter and could be looking to make its 52-week high by next month's earnings in July. If you enjoyed my video, please make sure to subscribe and share, or you can follow me on any of the following apps. Thanks, and have a great night.